Hey people, so we're actually at the famous friendship gap, is it? Yeah.
I-download sa yan yung private copy of Text Media.
Yeah, blessed upon yourself and people, is it? Yeah man, I hear about Text Media. So we're here, people, we're on our way to Kingston. So, see a mad thing, people, is it? So I'm just a flag go on. Right now it's a bus me and take go town. So things set already. I just stay in a coaster bus and I go town, you see me? Yeah. So I flip the camera and I'm actually showing how I go on. See the town with it. When I there town yet, but it's a bus we take from Anata Bay. Yeah man, going to Kingston. Alright, see the people? This is the bus. We're in the bus and thing. Yeah, this is the bus they call them type of thing, you see it? Big bus. We got Kingston, you see me? See the people? Bus load up and thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna sit back and enjoy the vlog here today, you see it? Got me one vlog every little thing. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Text Media. Hey people, so we're actually at the famous friendship gap, is it? Yeah. Yeah people, so right now I actually get a window seat. So I can show now I'm going better now, is it? Yeah. Hi. Subscribe to my channel, Text Media. This is my vlog. People, so right now we're at Stone Hill. This is beautiful Stone Hill, is it? Yeah man. Yeah guys, so we're actually in Kingston now. Now we're the Constant Spring, heading to Kingston. So I'm just showing how I'm going along the way, seeing me, is it? Yeah man, remember to like, share and subscribe.
Experience in the operations of the public sector and an opportunity to support and implement high priority initiatives of the government of Jamaica for 2 years. Visit the OPM website at www.opm.gov.jm to apply and for more information. The proceeding was brought to you by the Office of the Prime Minister. Sign up online for your free Baxter loyalty card at www.baxterjs.com. It's easy and it's free. Shop and earn 3% cashback on every purchase. www.baxterjs.com. How do we prepare for these sudden, rapid releases of energy from the earth? What should we do during and after an earthquake? You are invited to join the conversation with Mr. Ainsley Walker, Dean of Discipline at St. Catherine High School, Mr. John Congress, Mrs. G, and Mr. Raheem Martin, PhD, and do Mr. Special interview with Mr. Cecil Donald, Principal.
Yeah people, remember to like, share and subscribe, is it?
Tuesday, January
Yeah, we're going to Halfway Tree right now, is it?